Dude, holy shit. I am so hungry. Do you ever just go like a whole day and just forget to eat? Because that's been my day so far. I had a yogurt and some granola for breakfast, and then I guess my mind was just like, yep, that's good. I don't know what I want to get to eat. Like, I'm definitely lazy right now. I don't want to put an effort and cook something at home, so I'm probably gonna grab something on the way back home. So welcome back. We're on the Rebel 500, just on a drive home today, and yeah, dude. Yeah. So some pretty exciting stuff is, I think I got some packages in today. We're getting some stuff for the old Rebel, which I'm excited about. There's a couple things that aren't really that big of a deal, or like it won't make any big visual change, but there is one thing that I'm pretty excited about. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is because I might make a video on it. I'm quite excited. I need gas. Hold that thought. We'll talk about it in a second. Ooh, hot dog. The fumes are filling up my helmet. Jesus. Hello there. Alright, so anyway, the parts on my bike. I'm getting a couple small parts that aren't really going to make that much of a visual change, but I am getting one big part, and that is all thanks to my buddy Will. He lives in Arizona, and my birthday is coming up, my 30th birthday, which I'm not looking forward to. Will actually has a channel of his own. I can't speak today, man. The food is a problem. Like, I need to eat. He has a channel of his own. I think it's called That Will Guy. I think he recently changed the name, which I kind of like the new name, That Will Guy. He lives in Arizona, so if you want to watch a motovlog that is infinitely more interesting and visually appealing than mine, I would head over there. He's my best friend. He deserves all the views because, I mean, he lives in a very beautiful place. So here's some pictures of where he lives. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, check the, whoa, look at that one. Holy crap. That picture's insane, right? No, I'm just messing with you. If you actually want to see, if you actually want to see where he lives, go check out his channel. It's That Will Guy. I'll link it down below. Definitely check him out. But he bought me my new part that I'm going to make an installation video for. So thanks to him, I appreciate him. So that'll probably be my next video, if not the one after that. But I definitely want to make a video on it, that's for sure. But yeah, check out his channel. Because Arizona is very beautiful, especially, like, you know, if you're on a motorcycle, that shit is very fun to watch, very relaxing. Oh yeah, and by the time you're watching this, it might have already passed, or, you know, watching it just a couple days before, but I definitely won't make a video on the day. But happy May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I love Star Wars. Star Wars is one of my favorite things on earth. I'm pretty excited about the 4th, man. I get to go out and do some cool stuff, Star Wars stuff. The Toledo Symphony Orchestra, the Toledo Symphonic, I don't remember, the Toledo, like, orchestral band does this thing where they play a Star Wars movie in whole, and then they play the soundtrack with the movie playing in the background while the movie's going, and it's really fucking cool. So I'm excited for that. And while we're on the topic of Star Wars, actually, I mentioned that last week I was starting the construction of my bases for my Star Wars Legion army. I'm making a Rebel army, and it's going pretty well. I actually just primed them. I'm finally done with the construction, so I recently primed them, and I love the priming part of miniature painting, because you really get to see what something looks like, especially if you're constructing it out of different materials as like one solid color, as like a solid piece. And these bases turned out so much better than I thought, so I'm pretty excited to paint them. But basically, I just use like a rattle can primer. I like to use matte primer, and after I use the rattle can primer, since I'm, you know, not supposed to, don't tell anybody, but I painted them at my apartment I'm not supposed to do that, but I did it out on my balcony when no one was looking in a cardboard box. So I didn't get great coverage. So I have this Vallejo brush primer that you can use. I used it previously on a different miniature, and I really didn't like the results on it. But for basting, it actually is really nice because you just glob that shit on there, and it provides really good coverage for especially something like wood that's very porous. And I liked it a lot. So I finished up with some Vallejo primer after I used the rattle can, and the bases are turning out great. So I mean, the next step is to actually paint the bases themselves and add grass tufts. So I'm pretty excited for that. I'll keep you guys updated if that's something that you're interested in. If not, I'm still gonna do it anyway because I'm interested in it. If not, go fuck. Oh, and also update on the whole animal in my wall situation. So it actually turns out I finally got pest control in after a week, and pest control finally like did a observation, and they looked inside and they're like, oh, they're definitely coming in from this vent on the outside, all the way up top. They found out it's fucking bats, bro. Dude, there's bats in my wall. What the hell? And I know bats are like, at least the ones in Ohio are relatively like harmless. Like they're not aggressive. They're usually very skittish and scared of everything around them except for bugs. They eat a lot of bugs, which that's why I like the bats. But don't tell my wife this, so that way she doesn't freak out. I told her that they're harmless and she is very calm about it, so don't tell my wife. But bats are very notorious for carrying diseases, especially one called rabies. So I'm glad for them to be gone. The pest control guy said that they're gonna live capture them and they're gonna relocate them somewhere else, which is nice. I don't like killing animals. I think I would be pretty bummed if they had to kill them. So they're gonna relocate them, which is awesome, and they're gonna cover up the hole, so hopefully we don't have bats in my damn walls anymore. That is so crazy that there's bats in my fucking wall. Like how, you know? Oh, Wendy's sounds so good. There's so much food around here, and I have no idea what I want. I need to get home first and let my dog out. This is my dog, actually. If you guys, I haven't shown my dog on video in a while. I mean, way before I got the Rebel. So this is my dog Obi. Here's some pictures. He's great. I love him. I need to get home and feed him first before I even think about getting food for myself. So man, what do we want to eat? I'm hungry. Oh shit. Oh shit, don't hit me. Oh, people being stupid. Yeah, the weather has definitely did a swift 180, dude. Hello,
Screw
sir.
You.
Brother on a Harley. It's so nice today. It is like the perfect temperature. It's like 70 something. It's a little bit windy for riding the old motorcycle, but I don't know, man. The weather has changed, and in a good way. Ohio finally said, I shall give you light. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention that I finally got actual proper riding pants. They're actually really comfortable. I was originally, so I asked my buddy Will which ones I should get, and he suggested these Scorpion ones, and they looked really nice, and they just didn't have my fucking size. They had like, I'm unfortunately the most average sized person, so like I wear medium shirts, my pants are 30-32, like I wear size 8.5, 9 shoes, which is like super, like I wear all of the most popular sizes, so I'm constantly trying to find something that's in my size, and it's never in stock. So I went through so many pairs of pants on Revzilla to try to stay within my price range. I wasn't trying to go above 150, which I know riding pants is one of those things where it's not a bad thing to spend that much, but also, as you know, I am your residential broke boy, so I just don't have that much money to spend. So I found these ones that their original price is like, I think they were like 150 originally, so it was like right at my price mark, but they were on sale, and so I snagged them up. I think they're called like bullets, or billets or something. They're really nice. They're skinny jeans because I a scene kid and a fucking loser. But they are riding jeans. They do have abrasion resistance. They have slots for armor pieces that you can insert, which is nice. They're all black. They fit really good, and you could definitely tell that they are kind of beefy because they fit really good. They look like normal pants, but I feel safer, which is nice. But I'll put the link, if I remember, down below for the pants that I got. If you also liked slimmer fitting clothes, because I don't really like baggy clothes. Not really. The only baggy clothes that I really like are hoodies. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video and stopping by. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you all stay safe. I'm gonna end the video here. Like the video, please. Really means a lot to me. And subscribe if you're new, if you enjoy my content. And yeah, stay safe. Have a great day, and deuces, my brothers. Hello. Motorcycles.
Oh yeah, also I did a thing where a Sticker Mule had like a freaking deal where it's like get 10 stickers for $1, so I got some die cut stickers, and I kind of made some cool ones. There's only 10 of them, but like, you know, I got some stickers, so I'll show you what they look like when I get them. Okay, bye.